everybody, it's Laura Angel with Mississippi State University with our Extension Service, and I just wanted to give you guys a little preview of something that we have coming up. So next week you can come to the Extension Office and get a brown bag extension grab and go kit. And so this is targeting adults and families, and so one limit per household. So come and grab an extension bag. This will have a little extension lesson in it, and we'll have instructions on what to do with what's inside the kit. So I'm not going to tell you yet what is in this upcoming week's kit, but you can find it here at the DeSoto County Extension Office. You can enter our main doors, and we will have the kits setting out starting on Monday out in the hallway, and they will be targeting adults. Miss Kelsey also is still going to do the 4-H grab and go kits. So if you have youth, you can check out Kelsey's grab and go kits for the 4-Hers, but we also have something for the adults in the household. We're going to have an extension brown bag kit that you can also participate, and you can do it together as a family, or you can do it by yourself. But look for that next week in the hallway at the DeSoto County Extension Office. We hope that you guys are staying safe and well, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Have a great day.